Yeah, hello everybody. How you guys doing? This is a video of how to remove your front brakes and rotors on a Chevy 2016 Chevy Cruz. So start by using a 14 millimeter socket and wrench to take off the lower bolt. Then take off the caliper. The next thing we're gonna do is to use the old brake pad to clamp, just to push back the piston on the caliper. So you just do it gently. That done, the next thing we're gonna do right now is to use a 21 millimeter socket to remove the the caliper hanger. So that's what we're doing right now. It's loose. So like I said, I'm just doing it for you guys, the guys that want to do it themselves, that don't have the impact tools and all that. So just follow these instructions, So that's what I'm doing. 21 millimeter socket, taking out the hanger. That done, the next thing we're gonna do is to use a brake cleaner. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the brake rotor. That was a 30 hex socket. So that done, um, get a brake cleaner, spray on the new rotors so that it doesn't give you problems while driving. Just to clean out the oil. Then put everything back. Then the next thing we're gonna do right now is to just use a brake cleaner to clean out the brake, the hangers. So that done. So what we're gonna do right now is to tighten it. You know, if you want, you can torque these guys to up to 60 foot-pound. You know, so tight. Put in the top caliper. Play with the pistons to make sure the push rods are working. The next thing we're gonna do is to install the new fresh brake pads. And tighten the 14. That's it. Hope this video helps.